Welcome back to another video. So we just left Canggu and currently on our way to Uluwatu for 24 hours. I can't wait. We're going to spend one night here, get away from Canggu, the busy lifestyle, for a more chilled, hopefully, night stay in Uluwatu. What are we doing today?
So currently we're on our way to the Istana spa, which is a spa where there's no social media. You got to lock your phone away. Looking forward to the detox.
Yeah, it's needed. It's definitely needed.
Especially where we're always doing content, always on our phone. We just need that little breakaway. And then we've got loads of vegan food planned to eat.
I've researched the best vegan restaurants to go to in Uluwatu, so these are the best vegan restaurants to visit if you're here.
Yeah. And we're going to go see some sights as well and hit up one of the best beach clubs in Uluwatu. So it should be a fun-filled 24 hours.
I can't wait. I can't wait. We've just left the Istana spa and experience amazing. It was so chill. Yeah. I think the best word to describe it is tranquil.
Tranquility.
No, it was lovely though. Like no phones. There was no music as well, so just super quiet. All you can hear is kind of the birds chirping. You can hear the waves. Yeah.
Because it was like on a cliff, and you could see the sea. The sea was blue. The sky was blue, and it was just like, oh.
It was amazing.
Lying there, just like.
Yeah. It was amazing. You know, you had a nice swimming pool, 2 different saunas, a steam room. Hot bath, cold bath. Restaurant as well. It was super nice.
The restaurant was really nice.
Yeah, good breakfast. Yeah, we had good breakfast. The lunch and dinner options are amazing as well. I'll definitely go there again.
Yeah, and recommend you guys go in. It's nice as well, just to not be on your phones, because obviously you want to just snap things, snap your food, snap this or that. But
we didn't. So we did get content, but that was at the end. So once we finished and the spa was closed, we went back in and just got a few bits of B-roll that you'll see in this video. But reasonable as well, reasonably priced.
Yeah, I think it was like
$17 and it came to 13 British pounds for us. So reasonable. I would definitely go back.
Yeah.
So now we're about to head to a hotel that we booked for one night whilst we're staying in Uluwatu. It looked great online. I think Shadea found it. Yeah. So hopefully it is as good as it looks.
Yeah. It looks really chic, modern. So yeah, it should be nice.
Yeah, it wasn't too pricey as well. No. Again, I think £79 for one night, which is reasonable. So yeah, so hopefully it's nice. I mean, we'll see you there.
Just checked into the hotel. It's called Ria Uluwatu and it is so nice. It literally just opened a month ago, the owners are saying. The owners greeted us as well. They were really friendly and it's just luxury for £79. I can't believe it. And the rooms were just so nice. The pool, everything.
To be honest, I don't think the pictures done it justice because the pictures look great, but it looks even better in person. Yeah. Like the way it's designed is quite open plan. And it's like enclosed sort of villa style, would you say? Yeah. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, it's very nice. Everything just looks fresh, pristine, new, quality. You can see the detail they put into certain things as well.
Like all of the towels have their own like initials. It's got the engrave on it. All the gold details in the room. And it's just lovely. It's like, I want to extend. We've booked for one night. I'm feeling like I want to stay another night.
Should we extend?
We'll see, we'll see.
So we're at the Alchemy restaurant, amazing, raw vegan food. I love it, the food was great. Me and Shadea both got French toast, it was nice. Shadea still felt hungry, so Shadea ordered wedges. I didn't feel hungry, but because Shadea got more, I felt obliged to get more food as well. So I got French toast, no, sorry, not French toast. I got banoffee pie, and right now I'm feeling a bit sick. Some might say my eyes are bigger than my belly. I just say you're on holiday, so you might have to live once.
Greedy.
I'm not greedy. Shadea said I'm greedy behind the camera, but I'm not greedy. You're on holiday, there's like 25 cakes behind me right now, or in front of me I should say. So I thought, why not indulge, you know? I worked hard throughout the week, training. We're on a staycation, as Shadea called it, in Uluwatu. And if you see something you like, why not do it? So I will be back next time. Hopefully I won't feel sick and I won't be greedy. But yeah, lovely. After this, we're heading to the beach, Padang Beach, I think it is. And I got told to watch out for the monkeys because in Canggu there's no monkeys. Well, I haven't seen any yet. But in Uluwatu, they are around. So I've got to be careful. I'm a bit nervous about the monkeys, to be honest. I've seen a lot of videos and they seem a bit violent and aggressive. And they take your belongings. So I've got to keep my head in the swivel. I've never seen an entrance to a beach like this before. It looks a bit skeptical, and they said look out for monkeys. I mean, I won't be able to look out for any monkeys in this dark. Look where we're going. Not as bad as I thought. I thought it was just down and down and down, but it's very steep. Health and safety, man. Jeez. But we made it. Oh, monkeys. Strolls along the beach.
Padang Beach.
Padang Beach.
Almost got attacked by monkeys coming in. They were like scrambling. I was like, ah! Ah! So we're at Uluwatu Temple. We've walked around, the temple's really pretty. The sun's setting now, we're just waiting to see the Kecak show. I think I've pronounced it right. It's supposed to be really nice with like fire dancers, so looking forward to it. But right now we're just going to continue walking around the temple.
Just got back from the Uluwatu Temple, the Kecak. Just got back. I'm keeping it in. We just got back from the Uluwatu Temple and we watched the Kecak show.
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. How did you find it? What did you think?
I really liked it. You know why I liked it and I don't think you did? Just because...
wait. Let me think why you like it. Because there's a lot of spirituality going on. There was a lot of in sync and harmonies.
No, that's not why I liked it.
Okay.
I was following the story. I actually read and was flicking through the paper as the scenes were going on because there's no talking in it. It's just...
She's very selfish. She didn't share that with me.
You had the sheet. You didn't ask
I didn't have
for
the
it.
sheet. You had the sheet.
I had two. She didn't ask
So
for
she's saying she had two. You didn't tell me there was two.
Anyways, you just watched it and you didn't understand the story. But it was about Rama and Sita, and it was a Hindu story about how the wife got snatched and then they came back together in the end. But I enjoyed it. It was good.
Yeah, it was alright. It was decent.
If you're in Uluwatu, definitely go and see it. It's an experience, something different. It's like traditional Indonesian dance.
They're very busy though. It's like the setup of the venues like gladiators.
Oh yeah.
You know, like when you go Rome and you got the
Colosseum
Colosseum. Yeah. But it was cool. It was interesting. It's different. But we are hungry as usual. I feel like we always end whatever we're doing with we're hungry.
Yeah.
But we are hungry. We're at a restaurant called Muzz Kitchen. Just waiting for our food. So looking forward to eating that.
Yeah, veggie restaurant.
Yeah.
And yoga place as well if you're interested.
Once we finish that, we're gonna head to sleep back at our hotel. We've actually asked the hotel if we can extend our stay for one night because it's so nice.
I really hope they let us stay another night.
Because we're busy tomorrow and we're gonna be out early, so
we're not gonna enjoy it.
No, not at all. We won't get to see anything or stay there at all. So hopefully they extend our stay. But tomorrow we've got another action-packed, jam-packed day full of different activities. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bottoms up.
What just happened to you? Well, look, listen. The screen was meant to fade to black there after Shadea had a shot, and I was supposed to introduce it back for tomorrow morning. But I don't know what's happened here. What happened?
Basically, it's like this health shot is strong, like ginger or turmeric. I don't know, but woo!
See you guys.
Definitely opened up some sinuses.
There you go. See you guys in the morning.
So we are currently chilling at Sunday's Beach Club, living the dream, relax. Sorry.
Why are you laughing so much?
I don't know. I'm sorry.
We're not cutting this out, by the way.
I'm sorry. Okay.
I don't know what's so funny, but what are we doing right now? Where are
We're
we?
chilling at Sunday's Beach Club.
Currently at, where's the microphone? I don't know what's going on with you. Currently at Sunday's Beach Club. I'm loving the vibe right now. We actually got VIP. We never normally get VIP where we go.
With the VIP, you actually can use the credit on food and drink, so it kind of works out. So in pounds, it was around
£139.
yeah, and in Indonesian it was 2.8
million.
million. But then you get the water sports. So we done kayaking. Chad
I attempted paddleboard.
standing. No, sit down. And we got the drinks and stuff, it'll all come off the credit, so it kind of works out.
Yeah,
and you get nice cabana beach beds.
Yeah.
Also, they give us sun cream, insect repellent, phone charger, all in this like cute little basket.
Yeah. I'm also getting a massage as well, which is going to be taken off our credit. So
yeah,
I think it's actually good value for money.
Whole experience for £140 for both of us.
Yeah, why not? I must say the beaches compared to Canggu, so we're in Uluwatu. The beaches compared to Canggu are much nicer. Don't get me wrong, the beaches at Canggu are really nice, but the sea here just seems a lot more.
It's not the same. Like look, the beach water is clear. You can see the sea. The actual sand's golden, sea's blue. In Canggu, it's dark sand, and it's very crowded, so you can't really appreciate the beach as much.
What you got there?
Virgin strawberry daiquiri, because we don't drink. In case you thought I was drunk when I was laughing before.
She's drunk of love, maybe. Anyway, let's enjoy the rest of the day at Sundays, even though it's Saturday. So update from today, we're still at Sunday's Beach Club.
Yeah,
it's
literally been the whole day here.
Yeah, so nice, chilled. It's like the perfect spot, really.
Yeah, you don't feel rushed to leave, and it's just have like conversations. My dad's friends here, we've just been like conversations all day. We got our massage. Oh,
the massage was great.
The best massage I've had in Bali yet. It was just so good. I came out feeling like ready for bed.
I think I slept throughout the whole thing, apart from the bits where I was in pain. But apart from that, it was really good.
Yeah.
And the food here was amazing as well.
Food was good.
The
really
vibes,
good.
the music, the beach is amazing. The seas are great. The activities that you get to do, like the water activities, also great. I'll definitely, if I do come Uluwatu again, I'll definitely come back to this beach.
Definitely.
Yeah.
The only negative was my finger that got sliced up from the drone.
She tried to blame me, but it wasn't my fault.
Yeah, if the drone tries to not land properly, don't try and grab it with your hand, because the wings would just cut you up.
I mean, just be patient, I think. But yeah, it was a lovely day though. I really enjoyed it. We had a lovely day here.
Yes.
We'll definitely come back. After this now, we'll probably go and eat some food, head to bed, and just crack on with tomorrow. Tomorrow should be another chilled day.
Yeah. Enjoy the hotel and the pool.
Yeah.
Cool.
See you guys tomorrow. Good afternoon. We're back again, eating as normal. I think that's all we do. We start videos eating, end the videos eating. So we're at a vegan parlour called Mad Pops. Yeah, it's really good. But yeah, it's been Uluwatu so far has been great. Today we just got breakfast. Well, no, we chilled by the pool for a couple of hours. had breakfast, which was nice. Now we're ending our stay in Uluwatu in the best vegan
Ice cream parlour in Bali.
in Bali. I might argue the world, possibly. But yeah, it was great. The Uluwatu trip, I enjoyed it so much. It was nice, relaxing, peaceful.
I really enjoyed Uluwatu. It was nice, and it's not as busy as Canggu, so it's nice to kind of break away from that kind of like city hustle bustle vibe.
Yeah, it feels like a little holiday.
Yeah.
Even though like being in Bali is kind of like a holiday for us, this feels like getting away from. I don't know, getting away from Canggu just feels like staycation.
Yeah.
It's really nice. If you're coming to Bali, definitely recommend not just staying in one place. And everyone always says that, be in different places, stay in different parts of Bali, because you fall in love with one place, but then you go somewhere else and you fall in love with this place as well.
And every place has its different benefits and different perks and positive vibes. So yeah, definitely explore the whole of Bali.
Yeah, but yeah, after we finish this, we're gonna get our luggage from the hotel we stayed in, get a grab or Gojek back to Canggu, and yeah, call it a day really. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're coming to Bali, definitely recommend spending some time at Uluwatu, because it was great. We thoroughly enjoyed it. And yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, because we're counting on you guys. We need some more subscribers on the channel. But yeah, we're growing slowly but surely.
Growing.
Yeah.
And if you have any recommendations as well, please let us know. We'll be happy to answer any questions. But that's it for now, and we'll see you next week.
See ya.